What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? How you doing today? Ready for a walk? Yeah? Come on.
Going down.
We visit Brad every day from Monday through Friday. Sit. Good boy. See you later, buddy. What's up, Xena, baby? What's up, Xena? This is Xena right here. What's up, Xena? And this is Doc. What's up, Doc? What's up, Doc? Shadow. This is Shadow right here. What's up, Shadow? Frieza. What's up, Frieza? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? This is Chanty right here. What's up, buddy? What's up, Chanty? And that right there is Max. This is Ginger right here, guys. What's up, baby? You go back inside, huh? It's a little cold out there for you guys, huh? Milo, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. And this is our Mastiff Skittles. What's up, baby? What? Good girl.